Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Now today I went into my bathroom to brush my teeth and I noticed a spot on the wall, or a few little spots that I don't normally see, and I went to investigate. Here's our spot. Now there's a bunch of little ones that the camera is not picking up, but let's get right in there and zoom in here. This, my friends, is a bunch of baby spiders. Now, I kind of had an idea of what it was already. I couldn't tell with my eye, but I had an idea because I had actually seen the mother spider here a week or two ago, but I didn't know she left behind an egg sac. Anyway, I got to move these guys because I'm not the only one living in my house, and the other residents may not enjoy having a bunch of baby spiders around. But let's look at them under the microscope. We're under this microscope now, and I've gathered up these baby spiders. Let's check them out. There's a whole bunch of them. Now, contrary to what many people believe, baby spiders don't always eat their mothers. That's usually specific species of spiders that will do that. In some species, this mother will die from exhaustion of giving birth. Others, the mother will just walk away and do it all over again. And in some cases, yes, these babies do eat the mother. But in this species, I don't believe it is the case. Now, in this case, then, so this is a type of widow spider. I don't believe it's a black widow. In fact, I know it's not a black widow because I saw the mother. It's one of those brown false widow spiders. But I'm assuming this type of spider follows the same pattern as the black widow, where the babies don't actually eat the mother. In this case, the mother probably just wandered off to go start another family. And so these guys will have to fend for themselves as time goes on. Now, when I'm done with these guys, I'm going to take them outside and put them in my garden to help with pest control. So hopefully we can get as many as possible to survive. Many spiders, the reason they have so many is because many of them will actually die in the process to achieving adulthood. So that's their life. Now this guy right here kind of looks like he's taking nips at one of his siblings. And also you can see that hemolymph, the blood flow in that baby spider. But he looks like he's taking nips at his little brother or sister or sibling. And now I said they won't eat their mothers. That's not entirely true. Sometimes they will eat their mother and their siblings. It just depends on what's going on. That's not usually their first option, so they'll feed off of more easy available food to access. But in the case where stress or things get out of hand, then yeah, they will eat siblings and they will eat their mother. But it's not the preferred method, as it is in other species of spiders. Now I want to say thank you for all you guys' support. I am almost to 500 subscribers. We're getting there. And so thank you so much for the support. And if you're enjoying today's video, please subscribe, support the channel by doing so. And for now, I'll just let you guys watch and enjoy the rest of this video. We'll check out all these baby spiders and jump back and forth.